What's up guys, we're here! So after several car camping trips and off-roading trips, it's time to give Hi-Road, the Hilux, some TLC. And saktong-sakto noong TBPH Off-Road and Scholastic Car Meet, nanalo kami ng premium car wash from The Right Auto. So muling kikitam na yung Hilux after several weeks of neglect. What's up guys, we're here. So nandito tayo ngayon sa The Right Auto dito sa Parañaque and here's Sir Mo and kasama niya si Sir George. Ayaw lang magpakita sa camera. So yun, nandito tayo ngayon sa The Right Auto para i-avail yung premium car wash na napalanunan natin sa TBPH Off-Road and Scholastic Car Meet noong October 2022. So thank you sa The Right Auto of course and sa TBPH admins. So, Sir Mo, ano po pong gagawin sa premium car wash natin ngayon today?
So, basic car wash, syempre. May added lang na slight interior detail.
Yeah.
Tapos yung decon ng body.
Yeah.
Tapos double wax tayo. So, buff wax plus yung pang-seal natin yung bead maker. So, yun.
Basically, para lang ma-set yung expectation ng mga viewers, yung decon doesn't completely remove deep scratches, ano? So
No,
parang
no.
light, ano lang siya?
Light lang,
Light
like
lang siya.
Eagle.
Alright. Ano pa yung mga ibang services na ino-offer niyo dito sa The Right
We
Auto?
also offer yung paint correction if you know. Yung 3-step polish natin. Yung cut, then we polish, then yung finishing.
Yeah.
Also ceramic coating. We do body works, interior, of course, car wash.
Alright, so bukod dun sa mga nabanggit niyo, sir, alam ko nag-home service din kayo.
Yes, nag-home service kami anywhere in Metro Manila, including Laguna and Cavite.
O yun, malayo yung range nila guys. So kung tinatamad kayong bumayahe, ayan, magpa-home service na lang kayo sa kanila para sila na lang pupunta sa inyong bahay. Tapos didetail nila sa sakyan nyo and kung ano man yung in-offer nyong service. And bukod doon, narinig ko kanina na nag-uusap tayo na lilipat kayo into like a much better place. So
right now, we're located here as Bicutan, Automobilico. We're going to transfer sa Sukat, Automobilico, right beside SNBF.
So if ever gusto nyo mag-avail ng services nila, you could locate them there. Kailan ba yun?
We're
When are you gonna moving
going for mid-December, open na kami.
So yun, kung...
Please visit us doon if you can.
So sir, ulitin nyo, saan ulit yung spot?
So, Automobilico, Sukat, beside SMBF.
SNBF, yun. So doon yung sinalapin by mid-December, ano. So, any contact details like Facebook page or
Yes, you can go to our Facebook page, D-Right Auto, or our Instagram page, D-Right Auto.
So, magsushoot lang ng message if they want to avail.
Yes.
So yun sir, thank you very much for sponsoring TBPH and thank you din sa TBPH, ako yung binunot niyo. So yun, panoorin nyo na yung clip nung Premium Car Wash. So yun, nag-spotting ngayon si Jairo after many camping trips, na linis na rin siya. So maybe next time, balak namin busisiin nila yung paglilinis ng engine bay kasi kanina medyo na OC si Sir Mo.
Oo.
Yeah.
Next time, ano yun natin, busisihin natin yung engine bay
Yeah.
mo.
And I completely get it. Minsan ako rin nung nagdi-detail before, nakaka-OC talaga. Pag nakita mo yung dumi, gusto mo nang linisin on the spot eh. Ayaw mong iwanan dun eh, no? Yes. So, yun. Thank you ulit sa D-Right Auto, Sir Mo and Sir George. Ayan, magpakita ka na. Yun, Sir George.
Pinaka-pogi na detailer.
Pinaka-pogi doon detailer. Yan. So, thank you kay Sir, D-Right Auto, tsaka TBPH. Ano? So, yeah, that's it for this vlog. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!